In Judaism, we have the concept of tashme, sheikh, dusha, which are items that are holy. And as such, these items need to be discarded in a very particular way. We just do not throw them out, they have to be buried. So what constitutes tashme, sheikh, dusha? Tashme, sheikh, dusha fall into various categories. And the first is holy books and holy scriptures, such as the ones that we have here, which are Gemara. We have, of course, the Bible, Chamisha Chumshei Torah, and a Siddur, a prayer book, which all contain God's name and holy writings in it. As you can tell, the Siddur needs to be disposed of, and the way that we're going to do it is we're going to be sending it off for burial. So things like a Yiddish joke book or a Hebrew newspaper will not qualify as tashme, sheikh, dusha. The writings, even though it's in Hebrew, has to be something of religious value. The second item is a derivative of the first category, and that is really photocopies or printouts of holy writings. So for instance, here we have a photocopy of a section of the Siddur, which contains God's name. Something like this, or any other items that are used and have Hebrew and text on it, need to be buried as well. The next category is ritual objects. We have various objects that we use on a daily basis, and eventually they do run their course. Old tefillin that contain parchment and prayers inside, as well as tzitziot, or an old talit, or a mezuzah that is simply worn out. All these are holy objects that require burial. Throughout our homes, many of us have Judaica art, and they're beautiful. And it's such a wide category. And the way that we decipher whether an item is of tashme, sheikh, dusha, a holy item, is what is on that particular item. So even a Chanukiah is not considered a holy item unless it has inscripted on it some kind of scripture. A picture of Moses crossing the Red Sea is not intrinsically a holy picture. But if there is a quotation somewhere on that, then it becomes a holy item. So once you have determined whether your item is tashme, sheikh, dusha, is an item that is holy, either contact your local synagogue or your local Jewish cemetery and arrange for the burials of that item.